Are you struggling to find a durable and reliable solution for your industrial space needs? Whether you're expanding operations, constructing a new industrial building, or simply upgrading your existing space, the challenges of design, cost, and construction delays can become overwhelming. Our industrial shed construction offers a seamless, hassle-free experience tailored to your specific needs. We provide robust designs that maximize functionality while ensuring compliance with all safety regulations. Our skilled team handles every aspect of the building process, from the initial consultation to the final touches, guaranteeing that your facility is built to last. With high-quality materials and advanced construction techniques, we ensure your industrial shed withstands the rigors of your daily operations. Imagine having a custom-built industrial shed that enhances productivity and meets all your operational needs. Get in touch today and let us turn your vision into reality. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.